Tired of scrolling through a messy list of tax rates in Xero? Here is how to delete unused ones in under a minute. It is so easy to let those old rates pile up, especially if you have legacy settings or duplicate entries. Not only does it clutter your view, but it also makes it way too easy to accidentally select the wrong rate on an invoice. That is a headache you do not need at tax time. So let me walk you through getting your settings clean and organized. I will show you exactly how to log in, find the tax settings, and remove the rate in just a few clicks. By the time we are done, you will have a clean, efficient tax rate list with only the rates you actually use. Start by logging into your Xero account. Just head to the normal login page and sign in with your usual credentials. Nothing special here. You will land on your dashboard, which is where most of us start our day. So that is step 1, done. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu bar. Now, from the drop-down that appears, choose Accounting Settings. This opens a dedicated settings page specifically for how your accounts and transactions behave. It's a central control panel, so click on that option and you will be taken to a new screen. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you will see a list of menu items. Look for the one that says Manual Tax Rates. Click on that. This is where all your custom tax rates live. Anything you have ever manually added will show up right here, including any duplicates or old rates you thought you might need but never actually used. This is your list to manage. Now, scroll through the list and locate the specific tax rate you want to remove. Maybe it is an old legacy rate from a previous tax period, or maybe you accidentally created a duplicate when you were setting up a new one. Take your time here. Look at the name and the rate percentage carefully. You want to be absolutely certain this is the right one. Once you have found it, click on the name of the tax rate to select it. That will expand or highlight it, depending on your view. With the rate selected, you should see an option to delete it. It is usually a red button or a link near the bottom of the details for that rate. Go ahead and click that delete button. Xero is not going to let you accidentally remove something important without a safety check. So now a confirmation screen or a pop-up will appear. This is your moment to double-check everything. Look at the rate name, check the percentage, and make sure it has 0 transactions attached to it. If there are any invoices or bills that currently use this rate, Xero will warn you. And if it does, you need to handle those transactions before you can delete the rate. But if it is completely unused and you are sure it is the right one, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Click the final confirm button to remove it permanently. And just like that, it is gone. Your list is one step cleaner. Repeat this process for any other unused rates you find. Before you know it, your tax settings page will be a clean, organized list with only the rates you actually need. No more scrolling through clutter. No more worrying about accidentally picking the wrong rate. It is a small cleanup that makes a big difference in your daily workflow. So there you have it. You have successfully cleaned up your tax rates in Xero. Thanks for sticking with me through the process. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and I will catch you in the next one.